For girls, chiropractic care can help with a variety of conditions, including menstrual cramps, headaches, back pain, and even sports injuries. Girls who experience back pain or discomfort can also benefit from chiropractic care. Chiropractors can address spinal misalignments that might be causing the pain and provide ease without the need of medication. As you can see on this girl's face, chiropractic can certainly help improve your overall well-being and quality of life, which can lead to a greater sense of happiness and satisfaction. By the way, this is comfortable for men too. Older women may experience a range of conditions like arthritis, osteoporosis, and chronic pain. Chiropractic care can be beneficial for older women, as it can help improve joint mobility and maintain an active lifestyle. Sports injuries are common among girls who are active in sports. Chiropractic care can help with these injuries by reducing inflammation and promoting healing.
Oh my god. That was really good.
Okay.
As we can see, chiropractors use their hands to examine and treat problems of the bones, muscles, and joints without the need for medication. Oh, do you hear the sound? Seeing a chiropractor might also lower your need to take pain relievers or undergo more invasive treatments like surgery. In some cases, surgery may be necessary to treat severe back pain, but it is often considered a last resort. Chiropractic care can be a more conservative approach to treating back pain that might help prevent the need for surgery. Thanks for watching. If you're considering visiting a chiropractor, I hope this video can be helpful to you. And if you would like to watch more chiropractic compilation videos, just type it in the comments below. Bye bye.